Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Working Money, getting your money working for you. So I'm big on investing in the stock market, and I also recently got into the cryptocurrency space, as a lot of you are probably interested in that. And one of the cryptocurrencies that is very kind of in the spotlight these days is Ripple XRP.
Has it been a year already? That was a clip from the very first episode of the Working Money channel, originally published to YouTube on June 13th, 2018, 1 year ago today. So today Working Money channel's celebrating its first birthday. I wanted to thank all you guys out there who watched the channel for being with me. Whether you came in at the beginning or in the middle or near the end, all you guys are amazing. I couldn't do this channel without you, so I just wanted to say thanks. And wow, I feel like I sound a little scared in that first episode. So without further ado, hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. And although the market was technically higher at that point in time, I believe XRP was trading at 58 cents approximately, I feel like today, June 13th, 2019, we're actually in a better place. Bitcoin now trading at 8,100, Ethereum 257 per coin, XRP just over 40 cents, 0.402. Market seeing a bit of green, mostly at least. When you look at the charts here, Bitcoin, doesn't seem like it's going to be going any lower, so that's a good sign. We know all the cryptocurrencies follow the beat of Bitcoin, so we got to pay attention to Bitcoin and see what it does. When is it going to breach that 9,000 mark again? And could we be on our way to 10,000 very quickly? Well, that's what this analyst seems to think. Bitcoin breakout to 10,000 brewing. And so this guy here, Nicholas Merton, he states Bitcoin is now one step away from a surge to 10,000. Nicholas Merton, aka Data Dash, says BTC is very likely to hit the big number if the leading cryptocurrency can rise above resistance at 8,400. And so if we go back to this chart here, we can see it needs to get over this first shoulder that the pattern created. And so if we draw that here, just to kind of give you guys a sense here, so that is the first shoulder in the pattern, and then the head, and then the second shoulder. So we need to get over this point here, which is approximately 8,400, 8,402, 8,397-ish. So yeah, 8,400, if we can get over that, seeing 9,000 again is highly likely. So he states here we're trying to get a solid breakout above 8,100 or 8,200, and if we break out above 8,400, which is again the previous shoulder for Bitcoin, I would say that you're going to get your rally to 10,000. That would be very likely. Okay, he also mentions down here that the trading volume is also very important. Guys, and as I say always, when you're looking at charts, when you're looking at patterns, you always have to factor in the volume and how much volume are we seeing in comparison to the trend. So volume has a lot to do with this. And so right now volume's pretty steady here. As we can see, as we were moving up, we saw higher volume bars. Okay, and then when we were correcting, there was a lot of selling pressure, a lot of tall volume bars denoting that as well here too. So volume, and guys, I'll show you something here. Look at how much volume has spiked since December. So after that big sell-off for Bitcoin here, volume spiked up here, okay, then came back down as we were basing in this level, and now we're starting to see the same kind of volume as we did back here, but in the opposite direction, going bullish as opposed to bearish. You can compare that to the volume we were seeing around this time during the bull run of 2017, right? Volume bars were a lot higher, okay? And then as we were dipping through mid-year 2018, volume started decreasing, and now it's starting to increase again. So a good indicator would be increased momentum, going above 8,400, taller volume bars, and then finally breaching this $9,000 mark. Then we could see our way to 10,000, I think, pretty easily. And as well, this person here, Nicholas Merton, also thinks pretty easily. And with a $9,000 Bitcoin, we will see the rest of the cryptocurrency market rise, including XRP. It might take it a little longer because last and fast, right? It could go in tandem with Bitcoin though. We've seen it do that too. So let's keep an eye on it and see what happens. Ripple partner MoneyNetint teams up with PXP Financial in a bid to facilitate faster, frictionless cross-border payments. So Ripple, through its partner MoneyNetint, has a new connection to PXP Financial, as MoneyNetint is now getting together with the latter to process frictionless cross-border payments. The global payment service is for customers in the US and the EU only. PXP Financial is a UK-based payment processor, and its collaboration with MoneyNetint will offer all major global credit card and debit card processing, as well as a wide range of alternative payment methods such as vouchers, e-wallets, online and offline banking, while significantly reducing operational costs and payment-related processes. CEO of PXP Financial, Cohen Van Prit, commented, "PXP Financial and MoneyNetint are extremely proud to be working together to create frictionless payment solutions for our respective customers, as well as additional innovative services. The future looks bright for our partnership. Together, we want to help our clients be able to accept credit cards for their online goods and services and utilize its acquiring services." And so now these partnerships are happening. And for those of you guys who haven't been in the space, this is what they're talking about. This was back from October 18th, 2018. MoneyNetint integrates with Ripple for cross-border transfers and FX. So we know that the MoneyNetint partnership is solidified with Ripple. Now MoneyNetint partnering with PXP Financial, and the partnerships grow and grow and grow. Now this from Crypto Dash here on Twitter. Wow. IHO, which I think is it's supposed to be IMHO in my humble opinion, or maybe IHO is something I don't understand. But anyway, he posted this tweet that's at crypto_XRP on Twitter. With this move, Ripple has crowned itself as the king of kings with unsurpassed utility, interoperability, and scalability. And he's referring to this Stefan Thomas tweet here. He links to it here. And this is Stefan Thomas's tweet at Just Moon. Big news for Ethereum fans. Kava Labs just created an Interledger plugin for the ERC20 tokens. This adds a huge number of digital assets to the list of currencies that can be used for payments on Interledger, including USD, XRP, BTC, Ethereum, ... so on and so forth. And so for those of you guys who do not know, whoops, I just clicked on that by accident, but let's go back to this for a sec. Guys, I'll link all this in the description. I wasn't going to click on this, but I'll even link this in the description if you guys want to read up on it further. Some people down here are asking, well, how does this help XRP? And the whole thing has to do with interoperability. The fact that they will be supporting more ERC20 tokens, we know that XRP is going to be used to provide that liquidity for the transfers. We also know XRP is interoperable. And when you read some of the comments down here, it's a win-win for both. That is some pretty big news. That one from @CryptoBubbly. And this guy here at XRP_Geneva, how does it serve XRP? Well, it increases the utility of the Interledger. And then Greg here says XRP is very highly anticipated to be the bridge asset for ILP. The more assets enabled through ILP, the more XRP would be utilized. And it's a numbers game, right? The more you can have on the platform being transferred through XRP, the better it's going to be for everybody. And this is why interoperability is so important, guys. It becomes a numbers game at that point. And so we know XRP going to be used through Coil system. We know about these partnerships as well. Guys, Ripple and XRP are really on a fast track to success. It was already looking like that when I first started this channel a year ago, but since then we've heard so much news to the fact that they really are pushing forward. We've seen more partnerships, more solutions, more advancement in the space, and even after a year of mediocre price fluctuations, I still think XRP will be the standard down the road. Anyways, that's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.